My channel. Today I make typography designs for you. So watch the video till the end. And let's start. First of all, choose your phone and align it with horizontal align center and vertical align center. Then create outline. Now copy it with Alt key and align it with horizontal align left. Now go to this swap and yeah, I think this is nice. And now simply cut it with this rectangle tool. Now ungroup it and cut it. Now take the copy and now cut it with select it with shift and go to pathfinder and cut it. Oh sorry, it's I think I just take this expand and now cut it with minus front. Expand it again. Basically we are doing step by step, so kindly take carefully and it's very simple. So check my community also for more videos and check my Behance also, Insta also. So I posted it daily so you can watch it and now drop your opinion with me. Okay, so delete the unnecessary parts and simply double click it and delete it. Now take all this and drag it and group it. Now align it with horizontal align left. Now simply adjust positions and copy it with alter and again copy it with alter. Now take all these and align it with horizontal align left and horizontal align left. Now maintain the distance between the letter and so now decrease its opacity. 46 is enough. Now 75 is also enough and sorry 56 and now 74 is enough. Control G for group and done. Thanks for watching guys. Do share and subscribe. I hope you guys like my video and if you like my video then share your opinions with me. Also follow me on Behance, LinkedIn. I give links. So if you're watching this, then thanks for watching. And if you all also want typography tutorials, then do comment me. I will also make videos on typography. Thanks for watching.